Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the beautiful Cohutta Wilderness. It's 2 days after Thanksgiving and it is 35 degrees outside, so this video is going to be brief. So I wanted to talk about the Trailrax dual tool holder that I put on my roof nest tent and the T-tracks that are available for it. So previously I'd been using this Fisker axe, and then I had just a regular Home Depot shovel that I just throw it all in the back of the truck and wouldn't even worry about it. But I broke the Home Depot shovel and it caused me a pause, and I was going through this rebuild of, you know, everything from the new tent, racking, the deck box, everything. I became much more intentional about what I was doing. So as we're doing more and more trips, I wanted to secure this stuff, not only put it here, but also wanted to be able to lock it up as well, because some of these tools are pretty expensive. So I replaced the shovel with the crazy Beaver, which has a crazy price tag on it actually. Upgraded the Fisker axe, and put in the Trailrax system. Now, full disclosure, I paid for this myself. Trailrax did not send it to me, but Trailrax, you want to send some stuff? I am open for business. But anyway, I wanted something that held both tools securely, tight, didn't move, but also allowed me to put a lock on it. So this is a really simple system here. So you see we got the crazy Beaver in here, we got the axe over here. It's got these roller knobs on here that you can just open it up like so, and it gives you access to a single tool. You don't have to open them both up at the same time. In here it does come with some inserts that you can put in to compress on the tool, but you can very easily pull this out, put it back in like so, and you're back on your way. Same thing with the shovel. We open it up. It has a couple different inserts that I put in place because the shovel, a little bit different. So these are on the indentions here. And you can see here at the top the screws that went in. I used some M8s. The hardware that came with it really didn't work that well with these roof nest T-tracks. And so once this is in, or once you want to get going on your day, put your shovel in like so, secure it down. Same thing with your axe or whatever tool you're using, put it in like so, secure it down. And then I use a lock actually. And so we have, and you can kind of see where it's been moving along the sides. And so here you have a very secure setup for your tools. All right, that wasn't meant to be a long demonstration, but again, this is the Trailrax dual tool system. Allows you to secure everything up. I think it's about 135 bucks. I'll put a link down to the website where I bought this from. But I am very pleased with this. Would I buy it again? You bet I would. It works great. I have been in some, well, where I'm at now, we're in the middle of nowhere. It took a while to get down in here. It's very bumpy. A little bit of four-wheel drive. No, this thing never even moved. So really happy with this. It also can stay on here when I flip up the tent, and it works really, really well. So again, Trailrax dual system. Hey, if you got any value out of this, please click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new content out. Again, I am Robert with Sherburne Outdoors. Thank you so much for your time. Everybody have a great day.